Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve another problem of the day of the LeetCode. This is 16 May. I have not uploaded previous questions because it was too difficult to understand me. I did not solve them by myself. I just learn and analyze those codes. So today the question is of binary tree. Here we have four constant 0 1 which are represented as binary true or false, and non-leaf node which are 2 or 3, 2 represent or and 3 represent binary boolean and sorry. And here a tree is form binary tree where true and false, if true and false are considered in and, the result output will be false, and if they are in or, the output will be true. So I am solving this question by using a helper function. Firstly, I was doing it directly into the evaluate tree main function, but it will not work. So I created another helper function. The main thing of understanding is this base condition value. If root dot value is equal to 0 or 1, mean they are leaf nodes, then value equal to 1. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is, if the value of root is 0, then if we compare it with, we are not assigning, there is double equal to, we are not assigning root dot value equal to 0, we are comparing it with 1. And if the value is 0 and we are comparing it with 1, the output will be false. So we are getting 0 for false automatically, where 0 represent false. So we are doing simply comparing the root dot value with 1. And if root dot value is equal to 1 and it is 1, then it will so. If we use single equal to, then it will assign and the code will not work. So we are using double equal to compare the root value with the 1 and return false or true based on the value. If two, here I use recursive function self.helper left or right. If two I use or operation, if three I use left or end operation. On recursively use left and right. And if none, it return 0, or I can also use return false. And in the main function, because I call the helper function of the root element, and I am going to run this program. Here you can see it is accepted. So thank you.